Hello friends, I'm showing you bone soup today. It is not a regular bone soup. We usually eat that soup with rice. You can eat it as it is or with rice. It depending on that you may need to cut down spices a little bit and or it's up to you how you want it. Spices people still like it as a soup also very spicy. For this, I used the instant pot or any pressure cooker is fine because goat meat is not so easily cooked as chicken. So you take 2 tablespoons of oil. Any cooking oil is fine. I use peanut oil, and you take other for the seasoning. You need about 3 to 4 cloves, couple of cardamom, little uh, cumin and little black cumin, and also a big clove, a big cardamom, one of that, and you see the cinnamon sticks, couple of them, and bay leaves, couple of them. All these ingredients you put it in the oil at a time and fry them. When they're slightly brown, we can proceed. This bone soup is really healthy for you. Anybody, especially this mothers just to give birth to the baby, they usually eat it like this is gives good calcium, iron, and everything, like it is strength, gives a lot of strength to you too. So this one is and I took some a small onion, cut long and thin slices, a couple of green chilies, and a big tomato, and little ginger garlic paste, and curry leaves. Curry leaves are optional, of course. Not everybody has access to curry leaves. So tomato is also optional. If you want, you can have tomatoes tasty in your soup. Especially if you have a sour tomatoes, that is really good. So now put onions, ginger garlic paste, onions and green chili, and fry for a little bit. Then add the ginger garlic paste. You need to fry until the ginger garlic raw smell goes away. This is very important. If that's not cooked well, it's not going to taste good. It smells bad. The raw smell is not very pleasant. So then add the green chilies and tomatoes. Meanwhile, I'm going to tell you how we use this for patients, especially people who got sick for a long time, fevers or something like that. They were bedridden for a long time and they were getting. This gives a lot of strength and stamina, immediately boost them up. And it's healthy, not fatty or anything. It is very healthy. So this is you can eat with rice. Add some rice to it. You can just eat it as it is. But for that, I've noticed a lot of people do they strain it and remove all those leaves and all spices out because they don't want clear soup or something. But I don't do that. I like to chew all of them, like onions, cilantro, curry leaves, and everything. See, this is how I actually didn't get if you go into a butcher, if you already picked a packet already cut, that's how you get all the mixed meat. If you go to a butcher, like where the butcher is available, you can ask for, if it is Indian or Pakistani butcher, you can ask for bones for the soup. They separately give you, now I added turmeric, half a teaspoon. So I just took the whole one and separated the bones, and chili powder, red chili powder. This is up to you how much you want to put it, and also you can add some pepper, black pepper also. That tastes good too. Crush the black pepper and add it as pepper powder, you can add it, and salt also I added. And this is cumin and fenugreek powder. I make it and keep it. Just roast them a little bit, dry roast them, and make a powder of it and keep it. Equal quantities, of course. It's like half a teaspoon of it. I used it here. Since usually we don't use fenugreek seeds in the meats, but here this is the garam masala powder. This is what I make it at home, like you can get in stores too. The fenugreek and cinnamon seed mix powder, I use it. Everything I use, when I use tamarind, anything sour I'm making. So this I'm going to add some tamarind paste in here. That's why I added that. So that's going to balance the strong taste of the tamarind, sour taste of the tamarind. It balances because fenugreek is bitter taste. So when you add both of them, sometimes we also add sugar a little bit, half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. It kind of balances the whole taste. So now fry for a few minutes and add about a cup of water, not a couple of, just a little bit water, because I don't want the pressure cooker or whatever, like you're using instant pot, to overflow that extra water. So I want the meat to cook very well. That's why I'm using the pressure cooker. This is a instant pot is also electric pressure cooker, of course. So I put it on it is on saute still now. So I changed it to pressure. So it automatically picked up 10 minutes and medium. And you see the keep warm also. It is okay to keep it. If you don't want it, you can turn it off to that keep warm. This is the right time to turn it off. Later on, it won't turn off. So anyway, even if you do it in a regular stove top pressure cooker also, it's about 4 or 5 whistles, so that it won't. You don't want the meat to mash up totally. There is not much meat in there. You don't want the bones to melt or something. Just 4 or 5 whistles is fine. There is a little meat in there because I cut it myself, so I didn't remove all the meat. And let it cook. It is cooked now. I removed the lid and I'm adding this tamarind paste. If you see, that's the tamarind paste we get here. It's about a tablespoon of approximately, or a little less also, depending on your taste, how much you like the sourness. It is, you can add little less or little more, it's up to you. So if you have sour tomatoes, you don't need that much. If you don't have sour tomatoes, these tomatoes in the United States are more sweeter. The one I had was a Roma tomato. It's not at all sour. So I took a tablespoon of it, tamarind paste. And now I added about 3 to 4 cups of water again. And I'm going to saute it. It's not going to be pressure anymore. I'm going to keep the lid open, take the lid off and cook it, saute it on the, it is for about 15-20 minutes. It's going to boil. I added cilantro, about a half a cup of it. It's up to you how much you want to add it. I like it more. So I let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes first, and then I'm checking it. It's boiling, and I leave it for 10 more minutes and then remove it. That's it. Everything, all the spices are in there, even cilantro. Some people like cilantro to garnish at the end, but I want the cilantro to boil it with it so it can take out all the flavors. So it's up to you how you want it. But this bone soup is very, very healthy. You want to try it. If you guys don't have available goat is very tasty, but I think you can try with beef or anything you want, I think, like any other meat also, but not chicken though. This red meat, it tastes better. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe, like and share. I'll be posting more videos. Thank you.